glamorous life on the job. A successful career in the multi-billion-dollar cosmetic industry could be in your grasp in just 2 weeks. National Laser Institute CEO Louis Silverman is here with the details and a special offer if this is something that interests you.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning. Always exciting to have you on. You get me so pumped up. Why should people consider getting into the medical aesthetic field?
Great question. What is medical aesthetics? Medical aesthetics is Botox and dermal fillers and laser hair removal and cool sculpting. It's on fire. Alana, last year there was $16 billion spent by consumers, over 3,000 med spas across the country. When I got in this business 15 years ago, these services were just done to plastic surgeons and derms offices. Now it's every doctor's office under the sun,
so
family
true.
practice and primary care. And a lot of people think you have to be a physician or a nurse or an esthetician to be in cosmetic medicine, medical aesthetics. Well, yeah, the doctors and the nurses do the Botox, the fillers, but estheticians, cosmetologists, yes, they advance their career. They go from facials and peels to laser hair removal and photofacial and tattoo removal. But here's the best kept secret in healthcare. Anybody in the world, anybody in Dallas, Texas, anybody in Texas that has a passion for health and beauty, regardless of their background, I don't care if they're a stay-at-home mom or worked at Nordstrom's or right here on Good Morning Texas, after a 2-week training program, after a 2-week training program, they can become a cosmetic laser tech and change their life forever. So it's so exciting.
You know, I might have said that jokingly, but it truly is. It can absolutely be a backup plan because this is all the things, these are all the things that you're learning at the National Laser Institute in just 2 weeks. What kind of work are they doing, the technicians?
Well, they're doing services like laser hair removal for permanent hair reduction, photofacial skin rejuvenation for age spots, sun damage, broken capillaries. They're doing laser treatments to make the unwanted tattoos go away because what was cool at 18 it may not be so cool at 30, 40, or 50. Body contouring, devices like cool sculpting to freeze the fat. So the list goes on and on, all types of laser skin rejuvenation treatments. So they learn all these procedures. It's 5 days of classroom education, intense, about 10 days of clinical, practicing all day long, every day. Okay. And they're nervous, they're scared in the beginning. Can I do this as a medical device? After 2 weeks is over, Alana, they're going, oh my gosh, I got this. In fact, I met your friend who took the class. He loved it.
You finally met Terry.
Yeah, Terry's awesome.
We love him. And he had so many great things to say about it, and he heard about it here on Good Morning Texas.
Oh, fun.
Oh, yeah, and he is just loving what he is doing. And it was very easy for him to get a job also. But how easy is it to get a job after those 2 weeks?
So, we have a staff of 200 people nationwide. We have a team that's on a mission to help people in the job search. So we send over 600 job leads per month nationwide to assist people in the job process. There's thousands and thousands of jobs out there. The opportunities are endless. But the hardest part is everybody out there wants to chase their dreams, do something new and exciting and make more money. But, you know, it's not quite the right time. We got kids to feed and bills to pay. And I want to do this, but maybe I'll do it next week, next month, next year, because it's not quite the right time. But there's never a good time, Alana. But think back, that first time we bought a house, we're scared. The first time you got married, you're scared. The first time you had the baby, we're always scared. But once we do it, our life's forever changed. So today's the day to just get off your butt and chase your dreams.
Just do it, right? There's never a really good time. We're never fully ready, but you just have to make that initiation. You have an open house tonight to get those who are kind of interested, really interested.
So it's called The Skin Scene. It's at our location in Dallas, Texas. Anybody who comes and checks out our event, it's thousands of dollars of prizes. We're giving away training scholarships and free Botox and fillers and laser treatments and unlimited food and wine. And everybody who comes tonight, because it's a rainy day in Texas, we're doing something different today. Okay. Because it's a rainy day in Texas, sometimes you want to just stay home, it's raining, sit by the fire. If anybody who comes to our event tonight, just for walking the door, we're going to send them home with their choice of free laser hair removal or photofacial just for coming to the event tonight, in addition to food and drinks and prizes and galore. And live demonstrations, it's great.
I love that. Okay, yeah, who doesn't like free things? And of course, I want you to RSVP just to let you know that you're going to be there. But you also have a special for viewers that are watching right now.
Yes. The special today is the first 20 callers will receive photofacials for $20 a piece. $20 a piece. Photofacials are normally hundreds and hundreds of dollars for skin rejuvenation. You can't beat that.
Okay, be the first 20 callers, or even just show up tonight and you get free things too. You are so generous. Thank you so much. And we are changing lives also. This could be your backup plan or your new career. Here's the number to call if you're interested to inquire. It's 800-914-4504 for more information, or simply head over to their website. All the information is there for you. It's nationallaserinstitute.com. They're located in Dallas off of the Northwest Highway.